I know I'm fairly skeptical around the adoption of agentic-based AI and the use of AI agents, but the data is bearing that out as well. I think they're going to change their models, by the way. I think if they're moving to per-seat pricing, to usage-based pricing, whatever is going to make them even or even increase their revenues, I think we're seeing those changes coming. But it's not a panic time. Either for the software as a service providers or for the enterprises, because nothing's going to be changed anytime soon. I know I'm fairly skeptical around the adoption of agentic-based AI and the use of AI agents, but the data is bearing that out as well. Stated that 2 years ago when it first kind of kicked off. Enterprises are not moving that fast to agentic-based AI deployments in general. Because of the cost of doing so and the number of changes that have to occur. We're talking a lot about it, and lots of things are, dominating the tech press now. OpenClaw, for example, in the agentic AI world, things like that. But the ability to move to that architecture and move to what we're talking about as the target state is going to take many years for most enterprises. I'm sure some enterprises can pull it off, faster than others because they have access to resources or they've done a good job in, architecting their enterprise. But the majority of enterprises out there are going to make a slow slog, toward this new architecture, which is going to leverage software as a service systems differently because of leveraging AI agents. And we're going to see some of that, start to emerge at some point, not anytime soon, or they're using some sort of other aggregator. You don't necessarily need to force fit AI agents as a aggregator to the back end, SaaS services and SaaS data. You can use, any number of mechanisms and software development tech tools that we have out there today to build an application that's able to basically serve that role.